1995 Nissan 240SX. We bought a new kit, guys. So I got a new body kit for my car and I'm super excited because this kit that's on my car right now is actually a replica kit. It's been good and it's done its job for the last 5 years, so I can't complain too much, but there is a lot of imperfections that I notice. Exhibit A, there's a headlight gap right here, and a lot of these things that I'm gonna mention are very minuscule. They're probably not even that noticeable unless you're actually looking up close in the car. But another thing is that the inside line for the side skirt doesn't line up well with the car, so I've made this work by just putting electrical tape on it to make it have a straight edge, but that part doesn't line up good. And for the back bumper, just the geometry of it is a little bit weird, so it doesn't line up perfectly on both sides. The fitment issues aren't entirely the kit's fault though, because we do take this car drifting and it does take quite a beating, and since I'm not the best drifter, it does hit a lot of cones, so it's bound to have its little defects here and there. This one is not really a fitment issue, this is more like the way that we built it issue. So because of the size of the wheel, we have to have the caster all the way forward, because if not, it rubs on the back of the inside of the fender. So when we did the bumper, we had to cut a whole bunch of this part out. And because we had to cut so much of it out, there's only a little piece of fiberglass in all the vents. And once the tire accidentally nicks it, it takes off the whole vent. So I'm constantly having to rebuild these pieces. So I'm hoping that with the new bumper, I will figure out a way to not have to cut it out as much, so that way I won't run into this issue where all the vents are missing. So I bit the bullet and ordered the legit kit from Japan. I ordered it maybe about 2 months ago, and originally when I placed the order, I didn't know when it would come in, but I got a call last week and it said that the kit was in LA, and it only took about a day or two to get here. Yeah, it's here. It's here. Hello.
It's here.
It's here.
Sick. Look at it. Big girl kit?
Yeah.
Did it? All that for your car to look the same.
I hate that. I know. It came in. I'm super stoked on it, and it even came in the box that I wanted it to come in, because sometimes they take the kits out and then they wrap it all individually, which I guess like it doesn't really matter, but I love that it's in the regular box. I'm really excited, but I do have a lot of high hopes and expectations for this kit. Like, I'm expecting it to go straight on and fit exactly how I imagine it, so we'll see. This is it.
Let's open this up.
I like that it comes with all the mesh pieces.
Yeah, that's dope, huh?
Yeah, that was the thing that was hard to find for my car, was a mesh that looks exactly like this. So we ended up going to Home Depot and finding something that looks almost like it. So I'm excited that it has all of them.
It's super dope because that means they opened the box and made sure it was all good.
Yeah.
That's why there's the license plate frames and stuff in there from the company that we used to import it.
They packed this really, really good.
Yeah, look, they even taped the side skirts to the box.
Yeah, and the bumpers.
Taped everything to the box so it doesn't shift around. Sick.
Wow. I'm excited to see what the kit looks like. So I'm gonna try it on. I just have to take the old kit off first. There's this part on this bumper that's so funny. There's this pretty decent crack on this kit that goes all the way to the bottom, and I was so confused where it came from until somebody sent me this picture on Instagram of me drifting and the whole side of the bumper was off, and that's why it's cracked. It's my own fault. The only part of this kit that I'm a little worried about is the side skirts, because when I was chopping them up, I made it so that way the skirts sit a little bit flared out, but I think the way that they're supposed to be is a little bit more in and follow the natural curve of the car. So hopefully it's not curved in too much. I just took the old kit off. It wasn't too hard to take off because it's only a couple of screws and a couple of zip ties. I'm so excited.
It looks like it's really good quality.
It does.
I'm glad the bumper came with mesh too, or like all the vents have mesh on them. Mm-hmm. Even the side skirts? Yeah, even the side skirts have mesh on them.
Even the side skirts have mesh on them.
Even like the top coat of the gel looks really good.
Yeah. Oh, and there's already holes drilled for it. Oh, do you want to come look at this? The meshes have like a brace on them too. Mine were hot glued. Oh, that's sick. This is a really good idea to do all these little clips.
Yeah, and it makes it easy to take them off so you can paint them black or whatever.
Yeah. I kind of like the look of silver though.
Really?
Yeah.
No way.
Really? You like black better?
Maybe. I don't know. It wouldn't be too hard to change it if we need to, yeah?
Yeah, I kind of like silver.
Oh, I guess, yeah, because your accent color is silver, so that makes sense.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
What?
The way you hold the blade is crazy.
I don't know how to do this. Ooh. Look at how crispy these edges are.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, it is really nice. Look at it from the front.
Yeah, like all the edges are super defined.
Oh shoot.
Yeah, like.
Look, there's even license plate holes. Oh.
Yeah, look at these vents, guys. Everything is super defined.
It's so divine.
Divine. And then the side vents too, because remember you had to go with your sandpaper and like straighten these out.
Yeah. Oh, I want to see the vents. Oh yeah.
So cherry. They're the edges are so defined. I like that.
Yeah, everything is so crispy.
They're like different too though.
What do you mean?
Because look at how. Oh no, we chopped that off, huh?
This?
Yeah.
Oh.
No, we didn't. We chopped it off?
We chopped it off, but the other one was also thicker this way.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying, because this one doesn't look as thick.
Yeah, hopefully we don't need to trim these off. But even this part, these lines that come off of the vent, I had to really work to make them work on the other kit. But they look really good.
Okay, so should we go straight on?
Yes. Oh my gosh. Okay. What do you think it's gonna look like with a 326 power kit on it?
Watch out those corners. Pop your hood first, sorry. Oh, no, I don't even need to pop your hood.
No. Ooh, we're gonna need to trim just a little bit.
The fitment is already way better. No, we don't want to run this mesh, yeah? You want to run that mesh? That's tacky, in my opinion. This one?
Okay, we'll take it off.
So, we totally forgot we had a bash bar on here. I mean, it's not hard to take the bash bar off, but we don't really want to take it off and on, yeah?
Yeah. I'd rather just leave it for a little bit.
So, it looks like we can't even try on this front bumper right now anyway. Including the side skirts. You want to show them the side skirts real quick?
These are the side skirts and they look really good. The main parts that I was concerned about is this part right here where the door is. That part didn't fit good on my kit. And then also this edge. I like when it's super crispy so it just lays straight on the car and doesn't have any gaps, but it looks...
It is, it's flat.
Yeah.
Yours on like bowed in or something, yeah?
On the other side, yeah.
Yeah, like bowed in over here.
But they add a little bit of extra fiberglass and I think it's just so that way you can get a really good fit on top of the fender. But we're gonna need to grind this down so that way we can test fit it on the car. So we can't put the side skirts on right now.
Show them at least show them the stamp on the backside. Check it out.
Wow. Legit 326 power.
All legit now. This whole car is gonna have real... Well, everything about this car is real except for the kit. So now it should be 100% real.
The back bumper is the last thing to open up. Here we go. This is the last part of the kit.
Oh, that looks crispy. That looks so good.
Does it?
It does. Oh, you should have just laid it right back down on the bubble wrap. It's okay.
Oh.
Just put it down. Yeah, look at these. I don't even know what it's called, but this little diffuser section.
Oh my gosh, yeah.
It's so much more defined on this kit.
It is.
Like, you don't even need to like go back in with sandpaper.
Yeah.
And like define everything. How's the side vents? The side vents too?
Yeah, the side vents are good. Ooh, it lines up with this part really good.
I think it looks good. It tucks up nicer up against your taillights. I mean, it's not gonna fit perfect right off the bat, right? Because
Yay. So we'll come back and we'll try to shave everything down and mount everything, but we got a new kit.
yeah, it looks good.
It does. I'm so excited.
Yeah, you can already tell just the amount of difference there is between the two kits, I think.
So there's gonna be a lot of little things here and there that we're gonna need to tweak. We can't try the whole kit on right now, but I'm super excited for where it's at right now. All the vents, all the little details, like this kit has a lot of different little lines and everything seems to be really, really straight. So I'm just super stoked to have this kit. Later on we'll go ahead and we'll start sanding everything down, getting everything to fit to the car, but so far so good.
Yeah, see, like this thing right here, this is what you need to keep this from moving around and stay flat up against the quarter panel. This little tab right here that goes in the door frame. I don't know if it had it or didn't.
No, it didn't have it.
But yeah, it doesn't have it, so we only mounted it from the wheel well edge. And it flapped, especially when you're drifting, it would like flap, so.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I'm excited to see what this side skirts are gonna do now. I mean, they're probably gonna look the same, but it's gonna fit a lot better, and that in itself gives you like more peace of mind, I guess. Yeah, like this is not to bash on any replica kits. If you guys are running replica kits, we do it too, but now that we are able to afford a little bit more, you know, like the real thing, it's crazy to see the difference in quality, you know. But keep in mind, like as you see, we do have to do a little bit more work to get them to fit correctly, but it's very, very minimal compared to the work that Christine had to put into the replica kit to get it to fit, you know, okay.
So in the next couple of videos, we'll come back and we'll start fitting the kit up, making everything look nice. Overall, the car is pretty much gonna have the same look. The color's gonna stay the same. It just needs a little bit of a refresh because it's been beat on the last couple of years. So with that being said, thank you guys so much for watching, for supporting us. I know we've been very slow on the uploads, but we appreciate you guys still rocking with us, and we'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out and stay good.